Hello everyone, this is my review of the Volcate Rechargeable AA batteries. Each battery has its own built-in USB-C charging port, so there's no separate charger taking up space. I also like that they provide a consistent 1.5 volts of power. Devices like remotes, cameras, flashlights, gaming controllers, and smart home accessories seem to run just as well with regular alkaline batteries as they do with rechargeable batteries. Another thing that stood out is the battery life. They last surprisingly long, especially in devices that are used every day. The charging process is simple. Just plug in the included cable, and the indicator lights make it easy to see when they're fully charged. I also like that this pack comes with 12 batteries, so I always have extras ready to go when I need them. The build quality feels solid, and not having to throw away batteries all the time is a huge bonus. Overall, these are one of those purchases that become more valuable the longer you own them. If you use AA batteries regularly for controllers, flashlights, cameras, toys, remotes, or other electronics, these rechargeable batteries are definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.